Hello friends, welcome back. This is TCS Digital Elevate Wing 1 assessment video, and in this video we are going to discuss questions that came in January 2021 assessment. We will discuss the topics from which most questions have been asked in this assessment. So first of all, verbal ability section, and this was the most easiest section in the assessment that was held today on 27th of January. First of all, there was paragraphs, and paragraph had multiple blanks and we had to fill them. And the unique thing about the paragraph was that there were multiple blanks that we had to fill, but all of them we had to fill in the same question, or we can say same answer. These multiple blanks were not asked in multiple questions, they were asked in the same question. Like for the first blank we had option A, for the second blank we had option B, for third blank we had option D, for fourth blank also we had option D. Then our answer will be A, B, D, D. Then we were given option like A, B, C, C, A, B, D, D, A, C, D, D. Then we had to select A, B, D, D. This was the thing that was very unique this time. Now error detection. There were questions from error detection. There were given 4 lines making the same sentence, and we were asked to choose the 2 lines that have mistakes. Then we had to answer in the way like A, B, B, C, or C, A, or D, A. In this way we had to answer these questions. Now sentence order correction. In this case we were given few sentences and we had to arrange them in a proper order to make proper sequence, as I had also discussed in preparation video. And now reasoning ability section. This was also very easy section, and there were questions from cause and reasons and statement and reasons. Now numerical ability section. This was the toughest section in today's exam as per the opinion of multiple candidates, and there were questions from income and expenditure ratio. From that topic there was a question that there are 2 persons A and B, and ratio of their income is 3:7, and ratio of their expenditure is 3:4, and ratio of their expenditure is 4:5. Then what is the ratio of their savings? This was the question that was asked in today's assessment. Ratio and exact digit of ratio may not be correct, it may vary. And now there were questions from work and time, and there was question that if 90 people can do a work in 72 days, then if 5% of workers left after completing 1/6 of work, then in how many days work will be completed? This was question in today's assessment, and there were so many questions from mean, mode, and median, or simply we can say from statistics. There were many questions, so I will suggest you try it at your best. Now graph representation. There were multiple questions from graph representation also. Now both upstream and downstream, there were questions from this topic also, and in this type of question please take care of units. Please convert kilometer per hour into meter per second if required, or vice versa. Coding questions. So there were 2 programs. Program 1, to remove 7 and 56 from a string like AG7H48. In this string you have to remove 7 and your output will be AGH48, and this is just an example. And program second program was to multiply all the digits of a 4-digit number. You had to take the input as 4-digit number and multiply all the 4 digits among themselves. So this was your second program, and this section was very easy as per the opinion of most candidates. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I request all of you to subscribe this channel IT India, and best of luck for your assessment.